Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Solo3 off and removing any cables. This removes live power. Once done, lower the charge to around 30% to reduce stored energy and place the headset on an anti-static mat so static won't damage components. Next, remove the ear cushion. Use a plastic pry tool to pop it free gently and locate the hidden screws under the cushion. Make sure to keep screws organized as you'll need them for reassembly. You now remove the visible screws and gently separate the rear housing. Do this slowly to avoid tearing ribbon cables that connect the speakers. Once the PCB is visible, locate the battery's small plug where it meets the board. This is usually a 2-pin or 3-pin white connector. Make sure to hold the plastic connector body with tweezers or your fingernail, not the wires, and pull straight out at a low angle to unplug. This prevents wire or pad damage. Once the battery plug is disconnected, you can replace or service the battery. When reinstalling, match voltage and polarity and secure the new cell with non-conductive foam or tape to stop shifting. After reconnecting the plug, reassemble the housing and only then test power to confirm success. If it powers on, finish by replacing the cushions and screws. If it doesn't power, inspect the connector pins for debris or bending. Clean gently and try again, because misaligned pins are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.